There are many types of microcontrollers such as AVR microcontroller, PIC microcontroller, STM microcontroller, and which confuse our brain like how do I program them and how do I use them. Many such questions arise in our mind, right? Let's try to understand the matter of more easiest way. Only with a USB cable we can easily program Arduino with a computer, that we all know. But what's in it? And beside that, another question is, which is why we can program any type of Arduino so easily. If you look closely, you will see that all Arduino have a different type of microcontroller inside. For example, the Arduino Mega has Atmega 2560 inside and the Uno has Atmega 328P IC. And there is a separate USB interface programmer to program them. On the other hand, once you open the Arduino IDE, you will see a list of Arduino that you want to program. At the same time, each Arduino board has a different bootloader inside it, as a result of which Arduino software can understand correctly which Arduino you have connected. So in today's video, I will hack Arduino Nano, and with that I program any IC with it. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. It is better to say here, JLC PCB is a really beautiful PCB making board type company, where always you will get excellent benefit when you order your PCB. So I will definitely order my today's project PCB. As a result, I can create a professional. JLC PCB always take care of customer, like you can live chat anytime for any inconvenience. Even you can choose any PCB color for free of cost. There are also many benefits such as SMT service, stencil, PCB panel, gold plate, so on. To take advantage of all those opportunities, today upload your Java file by visiting the JLC PCB website for few dollars. I will use the Arduino Nano here to make my programmer. I only need this CH340 IC to program any kind of IC. So definitely I will remove the main chip Atmega 328P with the help of a blower. This CH340 IC has been programmed at Atmega 328P for a so long time. But from now on, any type of IC will be programmed. And now this Arduino has react as a programmer. Suppose you want to program this Atmega 8 IC. Then only you need to know these ICs, which are RX, TX and reset pins. And obviously what you get in this IC's datasheet, right? To understand more accurately, we will take a look at the datasheet of CH340 ICs. See, these three pins are these ICs RX, TX and reset. Since our program will be at 16 MHz, so I will not forget to attach 16 MHz crystal with this Atmega 328P IC. Okay guys, let's program this Atmega 8 IC with this programmer. And definitely I will connect with the target ICs from RX to TX and from TX to RX and of course reset pin. And as well as I will not forget to connect the 5V power source. And after then I will connect the Arduino to computer via USB cable. After then I will open a software called CoolTerm and then I will connect it. See, our programmer is ready to program any kind of target IC. And then whenever I import a hex file, immediately see that our IC being programming. You can even program with Arduino IDE if you want, but not for all IC program will be in this case, because the Arduino IDE not designed to program all kind of IC. I hope you understand the matter. So with all the information in my mind, I designed a circuit diagram and I will order it at jlcpcb.com. And this is a pretty good website that you know, and this is the board that I will make now. And as a result, I can use it in a very beautiful way. So guys, don't waste any more time. Let's mount all the components in this PCB. Okay guys, it looks a little bit like this when this board is done. And here I used the micro USB port, which is a very pretty popular port. And after then this time I will try to program this large 8097S52 IC, which one has 40 pins. Then I will check the datasheet to know which pin we need. And see here everything is described, which is RX, TX and reset. And of course I don't forget to add an external clock crystal. Now I am ready to program this IC. So I will connect the micro USB cable to this programmer and then I will reopen the software, and inside of this software I will import the hex file as before and see my IC being programmed. And guys, note, make sure you don't upload an IC's program to another IC. And guys, you can even program blue pill if you want. Okay guys, this is today's short video. I hope you have some knowledge about programming. If you do not like this video, then you can dislike this video. And if you like this video, be sure to share it with your friend. And don't forget to like this video and please subscribe my channel. See you again in the next one.